Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated when the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hawkins, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Rest of today, partly cloudy late this morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Near steady temperatures in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Friday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs around 40. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.